Samsung is once again pushing the boundaries of smartphone innovation. With the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event just around the corner, all eyes are on what could be the company's most ambitious foldable yet, the Galaxy G Fold, a trifold smartphone that's been the subject of speculation for years. Magnifying glass tilted left One UI 8 firmware leak unveils trifold design. Thanks to a recent discovery in the One UI 8 firmware, spotted by Android Authority, we now have our clearest look yet at Samsung's trifold concept. Hidden animation files, originally intended to demonstrate NFC connectivity, have inadvertently revealed the phone's unique folding mechanism and structural design. The device folds inward in a G-shaped configuration, supported by two distinct hinges. Internally, Samsung refers to the device as Multifold 7, though this is likely a codename. The design appears to be an evolution of the Galaxy Z Fold series. Imagine a Z Fold with an extra panel. This trifold form factor could mark a major leap forward in foldable technology, offering users a larger display in a more compact form when folded. Triangular ruler design breakdown: what the Galaxy G Fold looks like when unfolded and viewed from the rear. The cover screen is located in the central section of the device. The leftmost panel houses the primary camera system. The rightmost panel is minimalistic, possibly reserved for structural support or future features. On the front-facing side, the foldable display includes an Infinitio cutout, suggesting a punch-hole camera similar to Samsung's current flagship designs. However, the full capabilities of the internal display remain under wraps for now. Warning: folding mechanics, a new learning curve. One of the more intriguing details from the One UI 8 animations is a set of instructions showing how not to fold the Galaxy G Fold. Because of its dual hinge design, one hinge is wider than the other, likely to accommodate internal components or structural integrity. Users must fold the left side first, which appears on the right when viewed from the back, to avoid damaging the device. This suggests Samsung is taking extra precautions to ensure users handle the trifold correctly, a sign of just how complex and delicate this new form factor might be. Calendar: what else to expect at Galaxy Unpacked? While the Galaxy G Fold is expected to be the headline act, Samsung has a full lineup of next-gen devices ready to debut. Galaxy Z Fold 7, the latest iteration of Samsung's flagship foldable. Galaxy Z Flip 7, the stylish clamshell foldable with new upgrades. New Galaxy Watch series, possibly featuring enhanced health tracking and AI integration. Shopping bags pre-registration now open. Samsung has opened pre-registration for its upcoming devices. By registering early, users can secure exclusive discounts and be among the first to pre-order the next wave of Galaxy innovations.